beginner, brother. Okay. So, bro,
Okay.
I'm talking about. Do you know fear of English? Why people are fearing of English? Do you know? Do you have any answer?
Yeah. Yeah, I have because we don't know the proper knowledge. Like suppose my native language is Marathi. Okay, so I know the how to speak Marathi. Okay, so I don't fear in Marathi. I don't have a fear in Marathi when I speak someone else. Okay, but sometime I did speak sometime in English someone so that time I get a feel fears like my English is proper or not proper, and my words is my words going to proper way to or not proper. So that's why so many people have a fear about the
Okay.
English.
Yeah, right, brother. Exactly same thing, brother. Why we do not fear about our mother tongue language? Because over there we are master our mother tongue.
Right,
Whatever whoever talk with us like brother, sister, do you have an answer this topic without hesitation, without any fear? We can talk. We
right,
can make conversation without any trouble because we master our mother tongue language like Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, whatever. But if you
right.
talk about especially English, brother, so that moment we get a problem, we get a fear, we get a hesitation because lack
Yeah.
of practice, lack of practice.
Yeah,
We
because we don't doing a practice, so we don't
yeah,
think we don't have so many words of English. That's why we have fear to speak
yes,
in
yes.
English.
Even brother, like why people are fear about English because they already decide, they already fix our mind, they already keep
Right.
a mind like, if I try to tell in front of,
Uh,
then people on laugh me. This is big
right, right.
problem, big problem.
So
People always think about this sentence, these things.
yeah, 80% people are thinking about that
Yeah,
because
even
they don't know.
yeah, even
Yeah.
we know that, even we know that like in front of people also don't know English language.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to tell a one coincidence. I mean, I'm going to tell a one story. Okay, it's a funny story.
Okay.
For
Uh,
example, this person, me and you. Okay,
okay.
so I'm trying to learn an English language, but I'm
Mm,
afraiding with you. So same thing,
mm.
brother. You are also trying to learn an English language, but you are also afraiding with me. We
Right.
are afraid with each other, but we do not talk with each other. We do not show our expression like I'm learning an English language, you are learning an English language. We don't know,
Mm.
but we are operating each other. So this
Right.
is we can say, brother, like we are going to backward. Even I
Mm.
know that, like I know that you are not master the English language, and you know that me like I'm not master the English language. But I don't know why I am thinking to like if I talk with if I tell you, if I talk with
Mm.
you, then definitely I'll feel to have unhappy. I feel to like fear and hesitation. I knew that,
Yeah.
but my mind is always thinking about like don't talk, otherwise he will laugh on
He will
you,
all laughing on you, right?
try to judge you. And same
That's
thing
a,
your side also, same thing also, same thing.
mm-hmm.
So
That's
here is we can say we have to just shake, we have to sacrifice something, we have to
right.
talk each other, we have to think about like no, I want to learn an English language.
Mm.
Don't care, I don't care about my mistake, don't care about like like hesitation, fear. If I do mistake, it's okay. Even he and she don't know English language, so why I am afraiding? What is the reason?
Right.
If we try to motivate ourselves, brother, definitely you will get a good result, you will get a fluency, you will destroy your hesitation, your fear, you're afraid, you will destroy.
Yes. Definitely.
Yeah. So first thing we have to convince ourselves, brother, we
Self.
have to
Right.
convince like I do not afraid, I do not afraid, I can do it, I can.
Yeah. First we have to confidence for ourselves to speak our for speak front of people.
Yeah, brother,
So
it's
that
very
is very
important.
important.
It's very important, brother. If you win yourself, if you fight yourself, like I want to learn, I want to do, I
Hmm.
can do. It's not every. We can say this is possible, not impossible. If you fight
Right.
with yourself, if you win, then definitely you will learn, brother.
Yes.
It's a problem convert to ourselves. If you convert yourself like yes, I can talk, then that moment you
So
will learn.
definitely we can talk definitely. Suppose we have convert to ourselves, so definitely we will be successful.
Yeah. Even brother, like lots of way to we can learn English language. Lots of way we
Yes.
can say like social media, WhatsApp
Mm.
calling, video calling, and we can say
Mm.
reading book, talking with stranger people. Lots of way we can create an atmosphere we can learn. But I
Right.
don't know why people try to tell always like brother, sister. I don't know why people ask about they have an answer. Like
Mm.
if I try to reading, if I try to watching, if I try to practice, automatically I will learn English language. But they
Right.
do not understand, they do not believe ourselves, they do not like sure about a self, like I'm
Mm.
doing wrong, right? They always ask in front of like brother, sister, teacher, like how to learn an English language, how to.
Right.
Yeah. So this is big problem, brother. This is big problem. Even same thing when I was beginner, brother. When I was, talking with a stranger, I was also
Mm.
afraid too much. I was, feeling too shy. I was feeling too uncomfortable because that moment I was beginner and I wasn't understand what you are talking
Okay.
about.
Right.
I wasn't, but I realized like this is just a language. If I give 100%, if I give a more time, if I spend a
Mm.
more time, automatically my tongue will be working automatically. I will get the answer and I will store your answer. We
Yes.
can say.
Yes.
Then if you talk about conversation time, immediately like
Mm.
whatever I say, immediately I try to speak. Immediately I try to deliver my content in front of people, in front of you.
Right.
So practice
Because
make a profit, brother. Practice make a profit. Yeah,
practice is very important. Because
yeah,
if you do everyday practice, so we have lots of words in our mind, so
yes,
we don't have a problem to talk someone who speak us in English. So we also speak in English, but we have to do the practice every day. The practice
I-
is very important.
yeah, brother. Even lots of people are trying to do practice, but they do not give 100%. They just give
Hmm.
a 25 to 30%. That's why they can immediately. For example, if I tell you I'm a beginner
Hmm.
and I'm trying to learn English language, and like I did a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 1 week. Then after
Hmm.
1 week, like I feel to like like boring. I feel too uncomfortable because I'm not getting a good result
Right.
that moment. So people,
Because
let's do a hurry, brother. If you
hmm.
talk about English language, people always try to do hurry like I want to learn within a short period. We do not
That
understand
is
it will
not possible.
long procedure. This is long procedure.
Yes,
Maybe
that is
in the
not possible. We have to spend a time. So after we spend time in for speaking in English, so we will be successful.
yeah, brother.
If we
We
do
do not
only if we do
can if we give it will take a time. Maybe like 2 months, 3 months, 1 month. I mean 1 year also. Depend on practice, brother. If
yeah,
you have, yeah, tell me.
Ashok Badani, he is doing only 1 month practice on Skype Pay, but he did everyday practice on Skype Pay.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Whole day practice. He did whole
Yeah.
day practice.
So
So
I'm
his
sure that
English right now is very good.
right now he can able to talk in front of you, front of anyone.
Yeah, anyone.
Yeah.
And
So this is brother practice. Don't think
mm,
about, don't feel too shy, don't feel too nervous, brother. After all,
right.
like this is no, like just a language, brother. This is language.
Yeah.
People make a mistake, it's okay. Don't care about. Okay. Here
No
is
one,
like
no
no,
one is perfect.
yeah, no anyone perfect. Everyone learning. But we do not convince ourselves like we always think about if I, I'm going to try to speak a English language. So in front of like they are good command for English language. They maybe they can speak a
Hmm.
very well and look at myself. We try to blame ourselves, brother. That
Right.
moment, that time, we try to give up immediately about English language. We do not, struggle more and more.
Hmm.
Even brother, you don't believe me. I talked around maybe thousand of people. Audio
Hmm.
call, video. If you calculate, if you count both things, so I talk
Okay.
thousand people, and everyone talk about most of time. I got an answer like, brother, how to learn an English language. I'm struggling.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to read books. I'm trying to watching a movie. I'm trying to speaking, but I'm not getting an answer. I'm not getting a fluency. How do I learn? Please tell me what should I do? Should I attend any online classes? Should I any join any English speaking classes? What should I do? Then
Okay.
brother, like you can say over there always I try to suggest like whatever you are doing, so you are doing not
Mm-hmm.
100%.
Mm-hmm.
you know you are
Yeah.
not doing 100%. You are just thinking about like 1 hour 2 hour I practice, then after whole day you just think about your mother tongue language. So how
Hmm.
will you do yourself? How will you know?
Right.
You do not think about, you do not accept the language, you do not spend a more time. So how will you learn? you know
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, brother.
You can't.
So
You can't.
people does not understand. This is simple theory, brother, simple logic.
Right.
For example, if I tell you you are
Hmm.
preparing a 10, just take example. And if you
Okay.
talk about math subject, one of like problem is come, you don't know,
Hmm.
you don't know like to solve. So that
Hmm.
moment, if you practice, if you write down, if you solve a 10 to 20 times, then in
Right.
exam time you never forget, because you solve a 20 times, 30 times a problem.
Hmm.
So same thing, if you practice 100 times, 200 times, you will never forget forever, brother. You will never forget.
Yes.
You know,
If you
same.
if we do the practice that example, so we will not forget that example ever in future.
Yeah, brother. Forever, we can say forever, because already you practice and you made a habit. Because this is
Hmm.
your part of life, brother. You made a habit. So
Right.
for example, if I tell you like, hey brother, can you speak, can you
Huh.
use your mother tongue language after practice? Immediately, definitely, you will try to use at least 3 to 4 sentence about English language, because you made a habit. Automatically,
Hmm.
your tongue will producing a English automatically,
Right.
because you did a practice. You know.
Yes.
Brother, always I tell you, always I talk about with stranger or with beginner. Even I'm also convinced myself like this is just language practice, more. Reading, listening, watching,
Hmm.
speaking. Whatever you prefer to, whatever you would you like to do, like about English language. So do 100%. Do hard work.
Yes.
Just go deeply. Don't learn like orally and we can say like upper. No, just go
Hmm.
to deeply. Then you will master on English. You will master. You will, we can say like improve yourself, brother. You will able to
Right.
talk in front of people. So just do hard work. Okay.
Yeah, bro. Yes. Yes.
So
Thank you,
brother,
bro.
yeah, I'm going to
Thank
be
you. Give
short.
me the suggestion.
Yeah, don't worry, brother, because I knew that like what is the reason, what is the problem about English language, or like what kind of problem we get we get in future,
Hmm.
and what is the difficulty about speaking. I knew that because already I suffered, brother. Already I suffered.
Okay.
I insult myself. You don't believe me.
Hmm.
Then
Hmm.
I learned one thing, brother. First thing I will, I want to improve my communication. Then I will do something. I learn it
Right.
this. Okay.
So right now you are English very good right now.
Yeah, not fluent, but I'm working, brother. I'm working. So anyway,
Yeah.
brother, it was amazing conversation. It's fabulous, and you are great person. Keep going, keep learning. Okay, don't
Yeah.
demotivate. Just try to motivate yourself. Always practice with your friend. If you have a friend, then do it. Practice more. Okay.
Thank, thank you, bro. Thank you, given me your important suggestion and give me the your time. Thank you for that.
Thank
Okay.
you. Bye bye. See you, brother, in future. Bye bye.